Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to make butter chicken. I had a lot of requests to make this video in English. Let's start. First of all, write down the ingredients of butter chicken masala. I took 2 medium size chicken breast and cut into the small pieces. These are in cube size. 2 medium onion, make the paste. 3 large size tomatoes. I cut these tomatoes in small pieces and grind it. 1.5 cup cream milk. 200 gram butter. Now write down all spices. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Turmeric half teaspoon. Red chili powder, or you can use tikka masala powder 2 tablespoon. Cashew nut 1/4 cup. We grind these cashew nut. We also need butter masala. This is butter chicken masala. You can easily find this kind of masalas on any grocery store. Let's start the recipe. First of all, we mix these spices into the chicken. Leave this chicken an hour. You can bake this chicken or fry this chicken. Take 1 piece of butter and fry this chicken about 10 minutes. Heat is medium. Now I am flipping the chicken. Turn out light golden. This butter chicken is very spicy. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. This chicken fry is done. Now we are going to make butter chicken masala gravy. Now I use another pot. Add the butter. Onion paste. After 5 minutes, when these onion turn golden, we add tomato paste into these onion. Constantly stir the spoon. Onion are light golden now. Add the tomato paste. Mix very well. Add 50 gram butter chicken masala and 2 cup water. Add 1 teaspoon salt. After 10 minutes it will be dry and make the thick gravy. Onion and tomato masala is ready now. Add chicken tikka boti in this pot. Mix very well. Another 5 minutes we stir the spoon. I grind the cashew nut and add 1 cup of milk. Pour this milk into the pot. And also add 1.5 cup cream milk. Add another cup of water. I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon orange food color. It is optional. Another 10 to 15 minutes it will be ready to serve. Turn off the heat. Butter chicken is ready now. Pour this recipe into the bowl. Pour little bit fresh milk and spread little bit fresh coriander. The butter chicken is ready now. You can serve this recipe with bread and rice. Thanks for watching this recipe.